there, today is April 20, Saturday evening. As you see, we have very bad weather, hail and snow. As you see, front camera. I never calculated the weather will be so worse. 2 days ago, actually earlier morning, I was with t-shirt. Outside now looks like winter. I won't say magical, but it's very well after nature, you know. And well, we cannot calculate April, you know. We have a sleeping weather. I let you see more inside. Actually intend to go to Italy via Switzerland, but if the weather wouldn't be better or change, I would best to drive to Italy. Go to flight to Pescara, because I like to see rugby. Well, 2 weeks also I'm not the way I do my best. Maybe I like to drive by car rather than fly. Must be very careful. It's very bad in the area right now. I am moving towards the boat. I think 3,000 feet above ground level. Just probably we can calculate 3,000 divided 328 meters. Even 4,000 over above the ground level LGL. The pilot knows what I'm talking about. Anyway, above ground level. Above ground level, we have also MSL mean sea level, but it's above ground level. It means CVL as I think I would roughly say it's more than that. Because if you calculate the sea, but you see, the snow is on the ground. It's snow and much, I hope we'll stay somewhere. I'm not sure if either my tires are all season. No dangerous, but I didn't calculate the snow. It's the snow actually. It's not hail, it's the snow. Winter, it's winter, how comes? I have to be very careful here because of match and slush and the ground. Here it's also much worse than other places because I am very high here. Once again, it is about maybe I'm looking later. I have no time to watch my GPS because I have extra GPS for flying. I take with me. It also shows me by drive how far and how high my height from the ground. She calculated by NSL, but I can get above ground level. Well, let's try. See my GPS. Okay, I tell you roughly it is about 700 meters. 700 meters means times 3.28 you will get feet. Maybe you are interested in meters. It's about 710 meters. And just drive very carefully because of soaring. why. Recently I found a lot of words which are English I never know before, just used in our native language, just used in our native language. Example, mini job, as you hear, I just come to this argument as mini job. We call girls, it's mini job, it's a small, like a rock, you know. I did not know mini job. Yeah, it's a very funny stuff. It's the English word, you know, coming from 60s like that. Well, I have to reduce the speed here because of traffic light, I mean traffic camera. Well, I never calculated it. Now I'm going later all the way down. Hopefully the road will be better. But as you see, it's difficult to drive. But you know, you can trust me in driving. I drove also very worse ways. I am really thankful that I was not going. My intention was to go first to Zugspitz, which is in Austria. I thought I could drive to Bavaria area to Munich, and from Munich I drive to, what's the name of the city? Partenkirch, but I forgot the name. Garmisch. Partenkirch. I have no idea what it exactly means. And from Garmisch go to Zugspitz, which is not that far. It's in Austria, and from there I thought I am heading into Milan, Italy, or I drive to to Ravenna, from Ravenna to Rimini, Riccione, Pescara, keep right to direction Florence. No, direction Florence is over. To direction Rome, and from Rome to Napoli, and want to see Capri and back. Maybe tomorrow, I am not sure, it depends on the weather. If the weather gets better, I do. If not, I'm looking for flight, if I can fly to Pescara. From Pescara I take the car, fly to Bologna. From Bologna I take the car, I am not sure. May 1st, I am in another country. I am hopefully, certainly, Zagreb. From Zagreb to Hungary. From Hungary to another country, and then back to Germany. It's just flight. We are going down, the mountain down. It's very dangerous here, be careful. You see the sluice soaring your car, and you have no chance because it is very high. It is very high. I play slowly here. And I turn back, I am not driving from that direction. Oh, I love this direction. If you were soaring, just go into direction where the car goes and keep it into another direction. Flying, we have wind shear, you know. You want to land, and sometimes our wind shear. Once I remember, I was with my instructor. Unfortunately, he's died by crash, aircraft crash, by himself. No one was with him. But you know, I told him it was wind shear. But my idea was better, but also he was my instructor, was the best pilot that I've ever seen. But my advisement was better. I told him by the wind shear, we have to give more power. Anyway, oh, yes, exactly. Now you see the ground is better. It's just water and not snow and slush. Because we came 500 meters down, that's why. Still I drive slowly, maybe I can drive faster. Almost 8 o'clock. Good thing the sun is still there. And, the sunset is, I think, about 2 hours, 10 or even later, 10:30. Okay, I arrived. The city that I'm glad. Well, mountain area is always. See over the mountain from my camera? It's clouds. Spring rains. And showers. Alright. Very nice city here. Where am I right now? Okay, time to say goodbye because that's interesting in the city here. I can show you a little bit. small, but unfortunately the waste went. Show you a little bit here. It's like vacational area. It is vacational area, that's why. Unfortunately we have no sea here, but looks like most of old people are coming here for retirement and relax.